Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Tesla. Today we got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to follow me on social media, those links are below, and please tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. And if you like my analysis, check out my main channel where I look at a different stock every day, and let's get into the video. Alright, here's the chart for Tesla. We also have the chart for SPY with doing a split screen again. These are both 10-day, 10-minute charts. And today, I mean, these are remarkably similar. So pre-market, we're kind of testing this level that we closed at yesterday at 794, eventually dropping, testing again, and at the open just falling like a rock all the way down to 762. And as we see on SPY, they were doing pretty much the same thing, testing this level right where they closed around 392.64, testing and eventually dropping also very sharply below 389.50 briefly before recovering and falling actually again. And then this afternoon, a very strong bounce, especially for Tesla. It seems to have actually bounced a little bit stronger than SPY did. Tesla making it all the way back out and above the opening level and closing green on the day, which is huge. Getting back above this 794 level, I think it is a big sign. And SPY basically did the same thing, bounced and recovered, closed just barely green on the day at 392.39 and falling in after hours. It looks like Tesla still testing this 794 level in after hours. So the big takeaway for me on this is, like I said yesterday, if we didn't get a nice bounce off of this level today, get back above 811 into the consolidation pattern, that would be over. And I think that's confirmed today. So the price action that we've been seeing, and I'll go back to the bigger chart for just a little while, this extended consolidation on this downtrend and this uptrend into this 842 level, I believe that price action is over now, and we've broken to the downside, confirmed. But when I see this, that we actually made it all the way back up here, closed, and essentially confirming, holding, or not confirming, but holding above this support for today on such a big drawdown, and you know, it turned into an essentially a flat day or an inside day. But getting back above this level, it makes me think that instead of having a sharp, steep, you know, a quick drop, that we're going to have a very slow descent instead. So the price action has changed. The consolidation into 842 is over, and we are now on a true downtrend. But I wouldn't expect this name to drop like a rock anytime soon. I think we're going to see a slower descent with pops and drops. People still love Tesla. The S&P inclusion gives it buoyancy. The Bitcoin play is kind of an X factor that the market seems to like as well, especially with Bitcoin now at all-time highs again. So I think it's a little bit of a parachute. We are heading down. We've broken this pattern. We're heading down, but it's not going to be the cliff that maybe I thought it was going to be. It's just going to be sort of a slow parachute back in, and we'll zoom out just for a moment before we close out the video. So, and you know, on this chart, it looks like we're starting to get close to these levels, and this green channel is the extended growth channel that we actually don't really spend that much time in. You know, this purple channel is a much more realistic level. But even coming back into 700, where there's a little bit of support, a little bit of volume buying and selling, would be realistic to me. So we're still out above. You know, right now we're closer to 800. It's saying, but we are headed down, just maybe a little bit more slowly than I had been expecting. And yeah, I don't know if we're going to bounce off these levels or stay in this channel for very long. I do expect that we'll revisit this channel at some point. I still think that we're definitely going to get back to 700 at some point.
But we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, the price action is over, and we're now into a slow descent.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I do videos every single day. And if you like my analysis, check out my main channel, Charting Trends for Trading Options, where I look at different stocks every single day. And follow me on social media if you want. Those links are also below. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.